Are you ready?
Raring to roll, Rollo.
Okay, Jipers. Grumpbella.
Coming. What's the rush? They'll never fit in there.
Perky. Pandy, Pandy.
Coming.
Stretch and Missy.
That sounds like the most wonderful train ever.
Don't worry, Tillie. You'll get your chance.
I hope I do.
It is my honor to say, that is, I am pleased to announce, that it is, that it's time to...
Oh, come on, let's go.
Yes, let's go.
I could do that.
Are you still dreaming? You and that dumb train.
It's not dumb.
It's worse than dumb. It's not even real.
It will come. I know it will. I know it will.